can speak from my own experience with doing make money online opportunities, but I'll keep it in the context with affiliate marketing. But it pretty much almost works the same way. The challenges that you're going to face when it comes to make money online opportunities is the startup capital, for instance. I notice nowadays a lot of people, they don't really have much money to start with. I mean, not a lot of people have got, like, say, $20,000 like sitting around somewhere saved up, and then they're ready to invest into a business with that. There may be some people that do, but for a majority of people, they don't. So creating weekly capital for your business is a challenge that a lot of people go through. And I know I've gone through that, and I'm actually going through that right now, but I am working on building that weekly capital to be able to invest into my business. And another challenge that you may face with affiliate marketing or any other make money online opportunities is finding the time to actually invest in working on them. I know I had that challenge in the very beginning when I got started with my affiliate marketing journey. I struggled with that, and I remember there were several times where I had trouble even putting out one piece of content for my business out there, and even like sending out my emails to my list on a daily basis. So I had trouble doing that. But what I can tell you is to make the time for it, well, that comes into not making any excuses for yourself and looking at the time that you're spending on any given day and what can you eliminate or push back so that you can free up time to actually work on your business or whatever it is that you're doing to make money online. So a couple of the challenges that you're going to be facing, the most big ones are creating the weekly capital that you need to invest into your business and finding the time to actually do the work, to actually learn the skill sets. But this comes with some managing yourself in time skills. And that's why you got to make sure that if you want to be successful with it, how you can make it less painful is be real with yourself. Don't create these unrealistic goals or expectations and then dive into it without creating a step-by-step plan of how you're going to carry out your goals in building up your make money online offers and then following through with them. Like, you got to create a plan that you're going to follow every single day without fail. You got to make sure to do that. Because if you want to be successful with these make money online opportunities, you got to stop thinking like an employee. You got to start thinking like a business owner, like an entrepreneur. So how you can make those challenges less painful is work on your mindset. Be sure to actually write down the steps that you're going to take, your daily method of operation. Make sure that you write down what you're going to do every single day in your business. And with those make money online opportunities, like, you got to keep in mind that while there's the potential to earn those earnings, they're going to take time. I mean, nobody knows when you'll be able to start making money with them. But if you believe you can do it, it's not impossible. Then you just got to get out of your own way and do whatever it takes to be successful.